Good day, viewers. You are welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the value of x if we have cosec x multiplied by cos x equals sin x. To solve this, we should know that the value of x here is always an element of real number, and when we have cosec x, this is given as 1 divided by sin x. Therefore, we have 1 divided by sin x multiplied by cos x equals sin x. So when we multiply both sides by sin x, we have this one reduced to cos x equals, so this sin x will multiply this, and we have this as sin square x. Again, we should also note that anytime we have sin square x, it is an identity of 1 minus cos square x, and by replacing it in this one, we have from here cos x equals 1 minus cos square x. So here we are going to rearrange this, that is, we transfer all this to this side, and doing that, we have this one remains cos x, and when this one come here, it changes to -1. So when this negative cos square x come here, it changes to plus cos square x equals 0. And then let's rearrange again. Let cos square x begin this, plus here is cos x minus 1 equals 0. And suppose I write this as cos x all square plus cos x minus 1 equals 0. And since we have cos x, which is common here, I'm going to replace it with another letter, and assuming I choose let y equals cos x, so anywhere I see this cos x, I'm going to replace it with letter y, and therefore we have y squared plus y minus 1 equals 0. And this forms a quadratic equation, so which requires to find the value of y in this. And here we have the coefficient of this y square, which is 1. Here we have a equals 1 because I'm going to apply the quadratic formula. Here we have b, which is coefficient of y here, which is 1, and we have c, which is -1. So we are going to substitute it in this formula, which is y equals minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. And here we have y equals minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by c, which is -1. Everything divided by 2 multiplied by 1. Then we have y equals -1 plus or minus square root. Here is 1 square, which is 1. Minus multiplied by minus is plus, and 4 multiplied by the whole of this. We have 4, that is 1 plus 4 equals 5 divided by 2. And with this one, we're going to have two different results here, which is at y equals minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, and again we still have y equals minus 1 minus root 5 divided by 2. But on getting to this stage, this first solution, which is minus 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, I want to know how familiar we are with this number. If you have root 5 plus 1 divided by 2, someone might have already guessed that this is a golden ratio, which is 5. But what we have here is negative. So anytime we have negative 1 plus root 5 over 2, which almost resemble this. Yeah. So this one, it shows that is the conjugate of this one. Therefore, for this first y, we have it as the conjugate of this one, which is 5 raised to the power of minus 1. And with this one also, since we have negative here, we can factor out negative 1, and or let's say only negative. Then we have this as 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, which is the golden ratio. And we have the other solution, which is minus 5. So after this tool, then we get the value of y when we substitute these two values at where we let y equals cos x. So we try to substitute it when y equals 5 raised to the power of minus 1. So here we have cos x equals 5 to the power of minus 1. And to get the value of x, we take the cos inverse of both sides. So here we have x equals cos inverse of 5 to the power of minus 1, and which gives the first real solution when we press the calculator. And what of the other one, which comes in form of negative? And we are going to have that one as well as x equals cos inverse of minus 5. But cos is an even function, so have it as even function, which means this negative it goes, and we have this as cos inverse of 5. But here is positive, which means the number here is greater than 1. And what we need here is only the real solutions, not the complex solution. Therefore, this solution 2 is rejected, and the only solution we have for this problem is cos inverse of 5 to the power of minus 1. And here comes to the end of this video. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting math content like this. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.